Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add emergency contact on Apple Watch Series 9. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first way to this, go ahead and press the digital crown once to exit the watch face. Locate and click on settings. On the settings, scroll down until you get to SOS and click on it. Once you selected SOS, scroll down the SOS page to locate medical ID and click on it. Once you can find the medical ID, scroll down, locate and click on Edit Medical ID. Then scroll down again until you get to emergency contact and then click on Add Emergency Contact. Once you click on that, then search through the contact you have here. So just go ahead, search through your contact. And then once you find the contact you want to use as your emergency contact, go ahead and then click on it. Then you'll be prompted to select the relationship. Now, let's say your relationship with this person is maybe partner, select it. And then you can still go ahead, add another emergency contact, and then click on the check button once you've added all the emergency contacts you want to add. And then you're good. So that is exactly how to add emergency contact on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.